I don't know why, but I'm really excited to film this video for you guys. Come and spend a few days with me. I've got some really exciting and busy few days coming up, so I thought I could show you guys exactly what I get up to as a 19-year-old business owner who bakes for a living. Thank you for all the love on my last video, and if you haven't watched it, make sure to go watch my last video, which was my Portugal vlog. Let's go. First things first, I have a lot of baking to do today. I need to make a vegan chocolate cake, Biscoff cookies, Rocky Road, 3 batches of cookies and 2 batches of brownies. We're going to start with the vegan chocolate cake. We need to make the vegan buttermilk. So it's soy milk and then white wine vinegar. That's pretty much what it turns into. Now let's make the rest of the mixture. Next up, I'm going to move on to the Rocky Road. I'm actually going to do a Kit Kat Rocky Road. I'm watching the new season of Ransom Canyon as well on Netflix whilst I'm doing this, because I prefer to watch stuff rather than listen to music when I'm baking. Playing netball tonight, which we play every Monday, and I'm really excited to play. We played last week and we actually won for the first time in ages. Next up, we're moving on to the brownies. I'm moving on to the cookies, so I'm actually doing the Biscoff cookies in here and then the plain milk chocolate chip cookies in there. Milk chocolate mixture is pretty much done. I'm just finishing off the Biscoff one as well. What are you doing? So, Lils is just doing stuff. Right, I've got the milk chocolate cookies done there, and then the Biscoff cookies. Obviously, they're being covered with fly nets because the flies are awful at the minute. I've just cut up the Kit Kat Rocky Road. Look how good this looks. I'm just working through my list of trying to get everything done. I'm nearly there, but I still do have a bit to do. I'm pretty much going to scare everyone away at netball with the amount of garlic that Mum put in our dinner. But we are on our way to netball now. Time. Losing 12-4. I've scored 3. Back home now, and as you can see, Brooke actually didn't film any of the shots I did get in. I scored 5. We ended up losing 20-10. But anyway, I'm now doing a bit more work. I just need to make some more animal faces for the cookies and decorate the vegan chocolate cake, and then that'll be... No, it's not. That won't be me done because I've got to prep for the class tomorrow. It's actually 9:45. I was sitting on my phone for a little bit when I got back in. But anyway, I'm going to carry on now. Update. Cake is baked. Butter is mixing, and I'm just moving on to the vegan buttercream to decorate the chocolate vegan cake. I'm now watching the Bob Boys as well. The only other thing I also need to do is put the animal faces onto here, and then I'm done. It is now 10:30. I reckon I'll be done by 11. Animal faces are in cookies. That is another thing done. I'll quickly clear up, cover that cake as well for tomorrow. Then I can go up to bed. It is 5 to 11, so pretty much finished when I said I was going to finish. So this is what I've got done today. All of these. The chocolate cake is in there. Brownies are in there, and Biscoff cookies there. I have just quickly had a shower and got into my PJs, and I'm literally going to go straight to sleep. I'm just on the phone to Clive. It is now 11:20 and I'll be up about 7 o'clock, I reckon. I'll see you guys in the morning. Up, it is 7:15. Before I started prepping, I just wanted to speak to you guys, and I wanted to get your opinion. So comment down below your opinion on this topic. I've been thinking about doing, I know I do physical workshop at my house, but I was thinking about potentially doing some online workshops. So please let me know in the comments down below if that's something that maybe you would want to do if I did start doing that. I'm now all done. It's about 10 minutes until the class starts. I've got on my Lilybakes top, and then I've actually got these tailored shorts from Cider. I'll show you the setup of what we got going on. So there's 7 children today. So we've got all the bowls and scales. And over here is the table. More bowls, buttercream, some of the bits for decorating the cupcakes. We've got the cake for the cake pops, more bits for the cake pops there. And then the rest is all for the cupcakes. So we have just finished. Belle is still here. Belle has come to a lot of my classes, so she's a pro now, and she does baking anyway without me.
Made these cupcakes.
Show there the cupcake.
And then you made these cake pops. And there's
more there. This is my cake pop that I did to show, and the chocolate's already fully melted. Everyone else is gone. This is the aftermath that we are left with that I'm going to have to clear up. But timing wise, I need to be somewhere at 1 o'clock so I can do a bit of clearing up, then I have to come back and do the rest. So I've just came inside and look what's arrived. Guys sent me flowers. Put them into the water. And then I need to get my gym stuff on and go because I've got a meeting first to talk about our businesses, how we can help each other out. And I'm going to go straight from there to the gym after that. Just finished the meeting. I'm now at the gym. I'm finished. I ended up doing arms because I went to go do legs. I went to go on a hip thrust machine first. Someone was on it, so I was like, yeah, not doing that. But I'm just going home now. Mum said as well, we've got our friends coming over tonight. Shanine's cooked a Caesar salad, and so's Mum, because no one knew who was doing it. So we've got 2 Caesar salads, but we're eating it now.
Same company now.
Bubbles eating the cream, he loves it. I'm going to head to bed in a minute. I've not long got into bed. Hello everyone, it is now Wednesday. Please ignore the state of my hair. I'm going to put it into a plait and then I'm going to wash it. I'm just going to put some hair oil into my hair before I plait it. I'm going to town quickly to put some money into the bank with Mum, and then I'm going to head to the gym after that. Hair is plaited. I'm now in town walking to the bank. I'm now going to head straight to the gym. Usually I can always get a parking space like quite quickly. I've had to drive around the car parks twice because of how hot it is. Everyone's just sitting around the pool. It's going to be so busy. I might actually get a smoothie first before I work out. So I haven't eaten yet today and it's now like 10 to 12, so I'm quite hungry. Right, I've got a smoothie. This is my favourite smoothie ever. I get it all the time. Rosie's here. Hello. Are we going to go to the gym? Rosie's on her final set of hip thrusts.
Here's Lily on her last set. Pain is temporary, gain is forever.
I've worked Rosie hard. We're sweating, but we're going to do abs now. Well, I've been locked into the locker. Mine and Rosie's bags are both in there. I'm sitting outside now. Got myself a chicken and bacon Caesar wrap. Gonna sit and eat this, do some work, and then I'll go home. Work is finished, so I've treated myself to a Sclero. I wonder who's done this then. Definitely Rosie, because her car's there. Put them back. I'm going home now. I'm home. I've just had a message from one of the ladies that I supply to, the soft play, and they've asked for more cookies and brownies for tomorrow. I've got family coming over tonight. I'm going to go to Aldi, get some ingredients, come back and make them whilst everyone's here. Everyone's here, I'm back. I've been baking, got cookies done, brownies are in the oven, and we're just about to eat. Look at what Dad's doing. Oh, looks good, Dad. Just cut it all up.
One that you can just say, take me and...
It's 10:30. I've just got into bed, everyone's just left, and I'm really tired. I've just literally finished doing all the faces into the cookies and cutting up the brownies. I am going to go to sleep shortly because I'm going to be up early in the morning, so that also means that it is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.